In front of me I've got Blackview BV 6600E. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Security, and go to Screen Lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin, and password. Let's start with none, so let's select it. Now let's select swipe, then password, pin, and in the end pattern. Once it's done, we can go to Fingerprint and simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and adjust the fingerprint position each time you tap it. Now you can use it to unlock the phone. Last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply scan your face on this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.